The next interesting tool is Simplify Object, which allows you to recalculate the segmented mesh of an object and reduce its density without losing the shape of the object. Let's look at how this modifier works. I have an object on the scene, and if we see the display of the segmented mesh, you will see that this segmented mesh is quite dense. The majority of the segments are unnecessary and overload the system. In cases like these, we use the modifier Simplify Object. Select the object and apply this modifier. In the control panel of this tool, press Preview for the modifier to be displayed. Intensity. By moving the slider or entering your numeric value in the index input field, you can choose the intensity of the impact of the modifier on the segmented mesh of the chosen object. Every time you change this value, the recalculation of the segmented mesh will be happening. To confirm the action of this modifier, press OK or press Cancel to cancel. If you pay close attention to the overall number of polygons, you can see that it has decreased a lot in comparison to the previous result. However, the shape of the object has not changed. This modifier can be applied several times to achieve the needed result.